Scooter Price List, Philippines 2021. Disclaimer: store prices may vary. Price and specs stated here are meant as a guide for consumers and may not be accurate at all times. Paunawa, ang presyo at specs na makikita dito ay pawang guide lamang sa pagbili. Pwedeng magkaibang impormasyon na makikita dito at sa mga stores. Honda Dio, 49,900. Skygo Blink 125, 57,000. Suzuki Address, 66,900. Honda Beat, 67,400 to 70,400. Suzuki SkyDrive Sport, 67,900. Yamaha Mio Sporty, 67,900. Suzuki SkyDrive Crossover, 69,900. Yamaha Mio i125, 72,400 to 75,900. Honda Genio, 72,900. Kinko Super 8 150, 76,000. Suzuki Bergman Street, 76,900. Honda Click 125i, 77,400. Suzuki SkyDrive Fi, 78,900. Yamaha Mio Soul i125, 79,900 to 83,900. Kinko Super Z 150, 83,900. Kinko Like 125 Italia, 84,900. Yamaha Mio Gravis, 85,900. Honda Click 150i, 99,900. Honda Airblade, 109,000. Yamaha Aerox 155, 112,900 to 132,900. Honda PCX 160, 115,900 to 133,900. Kimco Like 150i, 119,000 to 139,900. Yamaha NMAX, 119,900 to 144,500. Vespa S125, 145,000. Honda ADV 150, 149,000. Vespa Primavera, 185,000 to 228,000. SYM Joyride 200i Evo, 188,000. Kymco X-Town 300i, 199,000. Vespa Sprint, 205,000 to 228,000. Kymco X-Town CT 300i, 229,000. Yamaha X-Max, 249,000. Kymco Downtown 350i TCS, 259,000. Vespa GTS, 368,000 to 408,000. Vespa 946, 777,000. Honda x-adv, 830,000.